There's a issue they're having with the master bath, newly remodeled. They'll have repeat blockages, so we're going to see if we can get to the problem from the stack over the master bathroom. Yeah, I'm 31 feet in there. As long as you're here.
Yeah.
Can you turn on the cold water in the sinks? Running out of push here. Hopefully a little bit of lubrication will help. Well, if we got water, we're in. So I don't know if that's going to help. Alright, now we're at the clean out which we located. We'll take a look up line and see if we can see what might be causing that problem.
What is that?
Looks like a paper blockage.
Well, what's interesting...
Can you go to this bathroom and flush the toilet and turn on the tub? You got a tub in there?
Yeah.
Cold water full blast.
Alright.
When he gets that water running, we're going to poke on this thing, see if we can get it to drain.
Now, when we first came in, there was a roll of paper towels next to the toilet.
Yeah, there you go. That's probably what this is. All those paper towels. Amazing how durable that paper is, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's not supposed to be flushed.
Yeah, see, we're on the back side of that blockage.
Are you trying to ream it out?
I'm trying to get it to move, coax it to come down.
Should I try to flush the toilet too, on the other side?
Yeah, give us some more water. Wow, finally got it to go. Holy mackerel. And there it goes. Alright, I'll take the camera back out again. I'll go upline and see if everything's flowing upline.
Are you through alright?
Oh, it's coming through. I heard that second flush. So you got 2 flushes, 2 toilets, 2 flows. Everything's coming out of there really well. You shouldn't have any more problems.